Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of space technology news is Kratos completes first EPOCH factory acceptance test with Airbus OneSat software-defined satellite. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions Incorporated has completed the first factory acceptance test of its EPOCH command and control software with Airbus Defense and Space OneSat next-generation software-defined satellite platform. The test confirmed that EPOCH can support OneSat's dynamic, in-orbit reconfiguration capabilities, which allow operators to rapidly reshape coverage and missions. Unlike traditional fixed satellites, the OneSat platform is designed for frequent updates and greater onboard autonomy, increasing complexity for ground control systems. To address this, Kratos added new capabilities to a recent EPOCH software release to operate in tandem with OneSat's highly dynamic configurations and operational demands. This successful milestone reflects the close collaboration we've established with Airbus in developing software-defined space capabilities, said Maurizio Scotter, president of Kratos Communications. The flexibility of our EPOCH command and control system design and the experience of our personnel allows us to work with Airbus to unlock the full potential of the OneSat platform, enabling greater flexibility, faster reconfiguration, and smarter operations for our mutual customers. During the factory acceptance test, Kratos and Airbus engineers verified that EPOCH's hardware and software met safety and redundancy requirements, communicated with a simulated satellite, and functioned as designed, leading to system acceptance by Airbus. Elodie Vio, Senior Vice President of Telecommunication and Navigation for Airbus Defense and Space, said, "This achievement gives us full confidence in the reliability and performance of the EPOCH system that will operate our satellites in orbit. It's an important step forward as we prepare for launch and continue delivering innovative software-defined satellites to our customers." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.